Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial video. And on today's video, I will be guiding you how to log into Azentio employee account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. On your desktop, open up any web browser that you want and on the search bar, type in Azentio employee login. Then press enter on your keyboard. That will take you to this page. Now, in order to log into your account, head over to the first link that says Azentio portal. Then you will be taken to login page. On the right hand side, there you will get login form. So first of all, on this username text box, enter your valid username and under that enter your correct password. In case you forgot your password, you can recover your password if you click on change password provided here, and that will help you out to recover your password. Now once you're done typing in your username and your password, click on this login button and on the next page you will be logged into your account. So this is how you can log into Azentio employee account. I hope this video was helpful and do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon so that you will get notified the next time we upload more tutorials. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.